So today I will be reviewing the ProtoArc Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. As you see here, this is the model EK04. This set comes with a main keyboard, a numeric pad, 2 Type-C charging cables, a user manual, and a USB-C receiver. The first thing you'll notice is the ergonomic curved and split key set design. This layout helps position your wrists and forearms in a more natural, relaxed posture instead of angling inward like traditional keyboards. The low-profile keys are shaped to match your fingertips, so typing feels quick and responsive. It also has a curved, hard palm rest with a leather surface. This gives you extended wrist support and durability. One feature I really like is a separate numeric pad. You can place it wherever it feels most comfortable, on the right, on the left, or move it entirely if you don't use it often. It's great for improving workflow and customizing your desk setup. This keyboard and number pad can connect to up to 3 devices at the same time using either the 2.4G USB receiver or Bluetooth. You can easily switch between devices with a single key press. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and even Android devices. On the bottom, there are 4 adjustable tilt legs so you can customize the typing angle. Whether you're sitting or standing, it helps keep your wrists in a comfortable position. It's fully rechargeable via USB-C. After about 2 hours of charging, you get up to 250 hours of standby time. It also goes into auto sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity to save power. A couple things to know: this keyboard is not backlit, so it's best used in well-lit environments. And if you're new to ergonomic split keyboards, there may be a short adjustment period while you get used to the layout. But once you do, it can feel much comfortable than a traditional keyboard. Overall, if you're looking for a wireless ergonomic keyboard setup that promotes better wrist posture, gives you flexible workspace options, and supports multiple devices, this is a great choice, especially for long work days.